nature kid. Huh?
Oh yeah, for sure. That's the one good thing about being out of the city.
Yeah, yeah,
In the country and doing this all day long.
yeah. There's no bugs there, right? Like
Well, it's
where
the
my
same.
dad lives.
Oh, it's bigger there, I think, too.
Okay.
Yeah, the more you go up, and there's other things too. They gotta worry about like snakes and spiders.
Oh yeah. Then, I know. At my dad's place there was a spider. Yeah, not a spider, a snake.
Yeah.
Although one snake was really cute, actually. I don't know if they're slimy, but I didn't touch it.
He would pick it up even if it was not annoying.
Yeah.
Hey, over here. Over here, Nate. Nate, look over there.
Oh.
I went on the other side.
Oh shoot. Oh yeah, you had those, right? Those butterfly. Is it butterfly catchers? No.
Yeah, we have like
Those.
a net.
That's it. Yeah. And those. Oh yeah. Yeah, a nature kid. A true nature kid. This is like the unschooling, right?
Yes. So if you want so this, I'll show you. I didn't know that there's a thing called Google Lens. Did you know about that?
Google what?
I see a lot of bees. I don't want to get stung.
You see these? I don't see any. But look at the tree, though. The tree.
The grass. Yeah. Well, that's the way it should be in some spots. It should be natural habitat.
Yeah.
Like animals like this.
Yeah.
Because they come along. They'll cut. Maybe. You know, the animal, the wildlife needs it.
Absolutely.
What they forget to is like bees, the butterflies, they all pollinate other spots, and that's how you get like trees.
Absolutely.
When, you know.
That's why I had so much fun watching the bee on the sunflower.
Oh yeah. That was
But
good.
the longer video is going to be on the first day of school.
Nice.
They do it for a long time, huh?
Oh yeah, they collect as much as they can. Right now they're collecting a lot because they'll go into hibernation once.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so they gotta.
Look at a nature kid. Oh, yeah, nature kid. Perfect. Yeah, see, homeschool is perfect for him, I think.
Oh yeah, that's what you can't say that's awesome.
No.
Kids like him need to be out.
Absolutely. And it's just, sitting at a desk, no. He needs,
And what I found even more.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. That is so cool. Oh, my God. He's kind of cute.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Oh, my God. He's so cute. Oh, wow. How does he find all these things?
He's good at it.
Oh, my God.
I just saw the stick flying and I followed it until it landed and I catched it.
Oh, my God. I can't believe it. I wouldn't even know where to look.
This is a baby dragon.
Oh, baby one.
Look, because it's tiny.
See, it's like a nature show.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
This week I had that problem.
Oh, he did it fast. I wanted to see that. Lee, do it again. Oh, okay, that's fine too. Oh my God. Right. I love how he's